Welcome to the English grammar class. Hope all of you are doing well. Today let us learn articles a and the. You have already learned how to use a or an and the before nouns. The articles are of two types, indefinite and definite. A or an is called indefinite article because it does not point out to any definite noun or it does not point out to a particular noun. The is called definite article because it points out a definite noun or a particular noun. Now let's see the use of a. You all know that a is used before a singular countable common noun beginning with a consonant sound. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. All the other English alphabets are called consonants. A is written before a noun which begins with a consonant sound. Look at some examples. Song, book, pen, cat, girl. Before all these nouns, all these singular nouns, we add the article a because these words begin with consonant sounds. Song begins with the sound sa, book with the sound ba, pen with pa, cat with ka, and girl with ga. All these sounds are consonant sounds. So we write a before these singular nouns. Now let's see the use of an. An is used before a singular common noun beginning with a vowel sound. You all know that the letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Now let's see the sounds of these 5 letters. The sound of letter A is A. Look at the noun ant. A-N-T, ant. The word begins with letter A, and how do you read it? You read it as ant. The sound of A here is A. And look at the word egg. You write the spelling E-G-G. Here the noun begins with letter E. And look at the sound of the letter E. It is A, egg. And now look at the letter I in the word inkpot. So what is the spelling of inkpot? Inkpot is written I-N-K-P-O-T. Here the letter I sounds as E. Inkpot. I-N-K-P-O-T is read as inkpot. So the letter I sounds E. Now let's look at the word orange. When you write the spelling, it spells O-R-A-N-G-E. It begins with the letter O. And you read it as orange. So the letter O sounds as O. Now look at the word umbrella. What is the spelling? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. The word begins with the letter U. And how do you read the word? You read it as umbrella. The letter U is sounded as a umbrella. So You write an before the words which begin with the sounds a, I, o and a. Now look at the words that begin with a. Apple, and answer. You write an before all these nouns, all these singular nouns. Now look at these nouns. Union, honest. Here the word union begins with the letter U, but it is read as union. It begins with the sound ya, union. The sound ya is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound. So you write or you use only a before the noun union. You write a union, not an union. Hope it is clear to you. In the same way, before the word honest, we use the article an honest. We don't read it as honest. We don't begin with the sound ha. It is wrong. So you read it as honest. O. It begins with the sound O. Honest. Hope this much is clear to you. We'll learn the use of the article the in the next class. We'll meet in the next class, children. Take care. Bye-bye.